Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Love with Food, and this is the June tasting box. The card on top says live. Let's take a look at what came this month. I have had these before. These are home cooked salted Virginia peanuts. Just a single serving of that. Also have instant oatmeal, and the flavor is blueberry scone. I bet that is amazing. It says there's flax, chia, quinoa, all sorts of good stuff in there. So we have that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Have you guys ever had seaweed snacks? Just dried seaweed? It is so good. And this is Maui onion. I've never had, I think I've only had just like the plain sea salt. And I think there's maybe a black pepper one. You can buy them at Target, but I haven't had this brand, but I love onion, so I'm really excited about that. They're super low calories, but it is kind of like eating air, but it's delicious. So if you haven't tried that, give it a try. I'm excited for that. Oh, how cute. Then we also have mini cookies. They're little mustaches, chocolate chip, Belgian chocolate cookies. I bet those are amazing. Guarantee you Jackson's going to steal that from me as soon as I bring this box upstairs. Also have an organic waffle with caramel in the middle. Those are also good. Belgian Boys typically is a brand that makes these. So you can just eat them like they are, or you can put them, set them over a cup of hot tea or hot coffee, and it kind of melts the caramel inside. They're really delicious. We also have Wow Butter. So this is peanut butter that's peanut free. Let's see what's in it. It's soy. Soy, a little bit of sugar. So there's a sample of that. And the last item in the box is beef jerky. And the flavor is mango habanero. That sounds really good. It says it's available at Whole Foods. I found that I've never really tried a lot of the products that they send, but now that I have tried them and know what they look like, I've seen them at Target and easily accessible places, so I kind of like that. Kind of gets you to try new things that you may otherwise not have. And then at the bottom, there's always some coupons, little advertisements. So this one actually has a recipe on it and 20% off plus a $1 off coupon code for some bouillon cubes. And this is one for Wow Butter, just kind of explaining that, where you can find it, all sorts of stuff. So if you guys want to try this subscription box, I do have a promo code that'll save you some money, and I highly suggest them because it's super cheap and you get lots of snacks every month. And if this is too little for you, you can actually get the deluxe box, so you get twice as many snacks plus a few extras that don't come in the tasting. So I'll put all that information below in case you're interested, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.